EA Sports. I'm gonna come.
Now and then when I see her face.
This guy just blowing from stupid now.
It's a cow farm. There's gonna be cows in a cow farm.
He ended up leaving with a Ryzen 550.
Harbibi Harbater? Harbid?
How's it going, guys?
Oh, that's not cool, McAllister. That's drunk McAllister. We're good friends with, I don't know if
Mark.
with Mark.
I'm sure McAllister can make that work, right?
Setup, episode 3. We're gonna see your shitty setups.
2, 1.
What is going on in there?
I heard her say, Mom. It looks like 47? Yeah, 41. Okay, I'm gonna redo that.
We have 47, 41.
Special because we have 41 submissions to go
Well, it's more like it starts at 5 and then it's like,
Okay, what the fuck?
36.
36.
There's 36. Let's try this again.
There's 32, 37. Okay, all right. Keep it together.
37 minutes.
God.
I'm gonna tell Zach that was too many.
That into him.
Hi!
Ohio.
Ohio! Normal gaming setups, but have you... dying. Hi.
Got a little bit of metal to go through. Oh, God.
A lot of metal to go
I did
through.
not like the metal. That's where it wants to go. That's where it's going to go.
We went to college for this.
Make it work.
It's arts and crafts.
He's leaning back harder.
He's kind of...
He's crushing it.
We got the Alienware! Hi, McAllister.
It's a
How's it
gorilla
going?
grip. Right.
Off to the races.
It's the David PC.
It's the Dolphin PC. This is set to not what it should
Hello?
be. It's in mono.
Mono.
Yeah.
Monochrome. McCallie swagger, bro.
All right.
Matt
Hello,
and Jack
audio.
are here today. We're gonna whip out our laptops and be hooray.
Be hooray.
You had to get him with that. They
I had
thought
to
there
get
wasn't gonna
him.
be no sponsor. All right.
And you just got Ligmud, and I was like, what? And I looked back, and I was like, fuck.
Ligmud.
Gay black men.
Gay black man.
Gay black men. Dicks.
Dick's Sporting Goods. Hello? Hi, McAllister. What's
Hello?
up? All right.
My eyes itch. All right.
Alright.
What are your points? What's your talking
You can go over
point?
the specs of the system
Okay.
first.
And to cool this i5, we have the Be Quiet Pure Loop FX2.
Almost.
FX. Fuck
Almost.
me.
You're so close.
Okay, just give me your
Yeah,
phone.
yeah, there you go. FX. 9590.
McAllister, just cut that part. I'm not going to talk about this yet.
Yes.
I'm just going to go ahead and talk about it, McAllister. I love making his life miserable.
16.
Okay. Okay, so stop at this point, cut off the Here we go.
Hello. All right.
Didn't you say these really bring out the...
Hashtag We Gamin'. We'll talk more about it later in this video, that kind of deal. Beautiful laptop with a 3050. Ooh, I said the wrong thing.
Oh. I like how his fingers actually...
It actually
like
fits
the
it.
end.
It doesn't unfix the damage that's
Okay,
been
let me try
done.
just re-pulling it up, maybe.
In recap,
What he said.
it's only cardboard PC. 450 PC build.
450.
450. Using that used GPU market. Yeehaw.
$29 when they were new.
$299.
$299 for a 6 gig.
Yeah.
100 OC.
The 10-watt OC. The white. Ooh, owl.
Ooh.
Woody.
This.
It was like $47.
Oh my God.
Bargain.
47.
16 gigs.
That I have pulled up again and say something else.
And this. And that. Yeah. Computer that features new architecture. 10th gen, baby. Still not used to hitting the top button multiple times.
I like it though, it's so much
Hello.
better.
All right, we're good.
It feels so good having my flip-flops though.
Dogs.
It's like, God damn.
All right, let's go.
Hey, hey, hey. It's Fat Albert. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Pizza board that next.
Hang up right here. Windows installed, tested it. We
We don't redo these. What are you doing?
I'm redoing it. I had way too long of a pause, dude. I said peace out.
Peace down.
Fuck McAllister.
Fuck
All
that
right.
guy. All right.
So this tablet contains.
Wow.
But I don't expect that.
He wants to see what's inside.
What the hell is that up there?
It's the glare.
I've never seen that before.
This is a very glossy screen. I had to benchmark in the dark.
He put the tag.
You wanna buy this bitch?
We'll buy it.
Fuck. Girl Scouts.
Now we can pull the, and yeah, we're gonna be playing some rat race. Hi.
Hello.
Howdy.
At least it didn't blow up.
Wow. I was like dying there for a second. All right,
I've used the katana to open it.
the katana of the laptop that's already open.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
The heat.
It worked doubles as a heater.
Pizza boy, that's it.
Kumba.
Kumbaya.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Girl Scouts.
Peace out. We have the most popular. So I'm just gonna do this.
Cal.
And it is a nacer.
I just want to redo that one.
Yeah. Oh god, how do I say? Yeah, yours is long as fuck. Oh.
Yeah.
Fuck. It's already dead. Fuck.
I think it's progress much faster in the game. Yeah.
It still
That's what part
doesn't
they
make
meant to
sense. EA Sports. I'm gonna come.
Listening.
Beyblade. Wow. I'm gonna read it just like they wrote it. I don't even know if I'm reading this in the right voice. Okay. Damn. Sheesh. Night, Death Knight.
Where are you?
McAllister, this is part 1. Now this is person 2. Matt's line.
I am Matt, and this is Jackson, and I already lost my line. It really hits hard. Oh!
They better be paying really good.
Sheesh! I just had to say it. All right. Hello. Oh. 4 gigs.
8 gigs.
A little bit of
Play like
performance.
shit. All right, guys. So the test. All right, guys. So the test results are in, and I'm struggling. All right.
Find the background right. There.
Whoa! Hello. Hello.
Hello, McAllister.
I feel like a load of poop. Get it? Got it. Good.
Get it? Got it? Good.
Ugh.
PC Bros. That
Girl Scouts.
Girl Scouts.
Make sure if you're a scammer, you come and scam our website.
The game combines. Thanks to this game's all. Thanks to this.
He's saying that because he almost shit himself. GameStop, reach out to us.
GameStop, give us that affiliate commission.
Konnichiwa.
PC Bros.
No.
Oh.
GameStop.
GameStop
Bros.
You want to trade in your computer? GameStop.
Don't use TB20.
WCB20, that is not a discount code. Some of the lens.
There definitely is some smudges on it.
Yeah, I was noticing that too.
I might give it a blow.
I just thought I was going blind. Just leave recording. McAllister's just loving that.
3, 2. Yeah. I heard cool.
X580, but hear me out. On AliExpress, we'll draw the back for a second. Okay. 2 in box and you're good. Okay, that made no sense. Why did I say it like that? 1650. 970 used. We're diving into the used market. Option, you'll be fine at...
Not RX, PC browser. We're in the dungeon today, guys.
We're in the dungeon today. Hello.
Sell to you guys.
So yeah, we're gonna try to do that intro idea I had.
I don't remember what the intro, like I know you never really, so, okay, no, I'm intro.
Like just, that's right there. Just
try it.
Jump into it.
I'll try it. Which is usually 40 to 60 bucks. I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. Oh, spaghetti. We have a 7000 series Ryzen laptop. Hello. New generation of Ryzen. I don't know why I said it that way. The CPU and the... Ooh, whoa, whoa. Hi, McAllister. You said hi to me. McAllister.
Solar powered vibrators.
That's an intro right there.
The big debate.
Yeah.
All right. We also have the flu.
It said bring back addictinggames.com.
This is what we're gonna have to test: is Addicting Games, Pop Tropica, Club Penguin.
You ready for an overpriced Chromebook?
It's the most expensive Chromebook we've ever seen. God, what are those called?
Game streaming?
Game streaming, yeah.
Like GeForce Now?
Yeah. Over $400, I think. Don't forget Pinky Out. It has a little bit of carburation. Carbonation?
Carbonation.
Carbonation. Cool, but they're supposed to be...
We're already still in it.
They, I think just try giving it a second. I think before you just waited and then just started coming out.
Party, 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 hardy. Powerful. Looks like a it's a massage gun. A massage gun. Oh wow! Holy crap! That's some power. Oh my god! The one
hate
time
this
he's
guy.
not at his desk.
Are you finish up your charcuterie board? Nice. And then we'll come from here.
You want to start it?
And then a little bit afterward.
Start doing YouTube and stuff instead.
Guys, guys.
That's
Oh no, you're
actually good.
All right. Camera and do YouTube instead.
Took my line.
I got really silly and goofy. I went whoa and looked like an idiot more than I am.
What in the hell?
They're not afraid.
They want you inside.
They want you inside their computer.